Hi, everyone. It's Friday. We made it another week. So let's talk about some fun facts of our favorite oils. Can you say that 5 times fast? I know I could. Okay. So today, Chris and I are going to share with you our favorites, sandalwood, Hawaiian sandalwood. Hopefully one day I'll make it out there. And oregano. Ooh, a staple in our household too. All right. So I'm going to dive into Hawaiian sandalwood, this little guy here. Don't be fooled. It doesn't come with a roller. I just was very low, so I filled the rest with fractionated coconut oil and put this roller top to stretch my dollar. It's a little fun fact there. Okay. So let's talk about it. Hawaiian. So from a renewable source in Hawaii, its benefits include smoothing skin and enhancing moods. Rich, sweet, woody aroma, which instills calmness and well-being. It can help reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and promotes overall youthful-looking complexion. Ooh, I like that. You can diffuse or apply on your neck, 2 drops in a bath, and you can take internally to help boost metabolism. Right on. Another metabolism there.
Nice.
Okay, I love it. We were just talking about grapefruit for those of y'all that aren't not, following along. Okay. So yeah, that's sandalwood. So for this one, since I have the roller top, I just put on my pulse points, back of the neck. I do have Indian sandalwood, which is kind of the same. It's just from India. Egyptians use that oil for embalming. That's a fun fact about the Indian sandalwood. So yeah, I just love the smell of sandalwood. I've been a huge fan, so I had to get both of them, and I used my points. I saved up my points for those of y'all. What is she talking about, points? If you have an account, you can order through Loyalty Rewards program and earn points so you can get free products. So I got my sandalwood for free. So moving on, let's talk about oregano. That's a hot oil.
Yes, very hot.
Can you share with us about
in many ways?
Yeah.
Oregano comes from Kenya and Turkey, which I enjoy knowing where they came from, because I like to know it, because especially with the co-impact sourcing and stuff like that, it's where everybody's working together, and so it's kind of an interesting point. It comes from the leaf of the oregano plant. It's steam distilled. It's the herbaceous green, sharp green, camphorous kind of scent. Good for so many things, cooking, just overall immunity health. It's a powerful surface cleanser and purifying agent, which every time we do this, I'm learning something new. I've got to use my oils for more things, and I'm getting rid of more things. So it's kind of exciting. It also has powerful antioxidants when you ingested. So they suggest taking 1 drop in a veggie cap with, or in 4 fluid ounces, which I take it in a veggie cap. And my biggest thing with oregano that's been awesome is if I get up in the morning and I'm kind of dragging, I'll pop some oregano down, and within 30 minutes, I'm going about my day, and it's like, oh, I feel so much better. And it's just one of those easy things that just keeps the colds away and stuff like that. You don't have to do a whole flu bomb to start your oregano, and it really gets you going. Let's see. It also says, also tells us that it helps respiratory function when you take it internally. 1 drop takes the place of dried oregano in your spaghetti and stuff. And I've heard, I see this is something I need to do. Dip just a toothpick in the oregano, and then drop just the toothpick into your whole pot of spaghetti sauce. That's all you need. Of course, remove the toothpick later. And the same thing with your pizza sauce and those kinds of things. If you put 10 drops in a 16-ounce spray bottle with water, and you can use that to clean your counters and stuff. So very, very cool. It does take 2 pounds of oregano to make 1 15 ml bottle. There we go. And that's oregano.
Love it. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of oregano. So this is my recipe, just fun fact. I found this really simple pasta sauce recipe. It's a 1/4 stick of butter, and I put 1 drop of, I just do 1 drop. I don't do the toothpick. I do a drop on the butter with 2 drops of basil, and I let that butter melt, and then I throw in 3 crushed cloves of garlic so I can get those aromatics going, and it smells like heaven. And then I pour in the crushed tomatoes. I get it in a can, and I throw that in there. and I let that simmer for 10 minutes. And then after that, throw in some, oh, I forgot, before I simmer for 10 minutes, I throw in a little bit of sugar to help balance out the acidity. And then salt and pepper to taste, a little olive oil, and then boom, pasta sauce. And it's good. And the whole house smells amazing. And then all the pasta sauce messes that I made, the splatters and the spills, I grab my oregano bottle and I spray and I clean it all up, and it just smells like a huge Italian kitchen in my house. And I'm
okay. You have to put that recipe down there because I couldn't write it down fast
enough. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll put it in the comments.
Awesome. Yes, please.
Yeah, super yummy, super yummy, and it makes a lot too. And so you want to store the rest in glass containers if you have those, and then you can use the leftover sauce. Put in some meatballs or our ground beef. And you've got another night of a pasta night.
Sounds awesome. I think I'm having that tonight.
It's super good. We're probably going to make it tomorrow because we love our pasta. Okay.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's our fun facts for this Friday. Tune in next week and we'll give you more fun facts of our favorite oils. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend.
Bye.